Hello everyone, I am Shweta and in this video I am going to explain about the implementation on public transport bus scheduling API using RestAssured. For implementing this question, firstly we have to create a JSON file. So for creating a JSON file, first we will open a command prompt. Okay. So command prompt is open. Now we have to create a JSON file. So for creating a JSON file, first we have to write copy con and whatever the file name we are going to create, we have to write the name. I am taking it as public transport. Dot JSON extension is necessary because then only a file will be converted into JSON. Now in this I am going to put two arrays. I am making two arrays and two types of values. Two value sets will be there. So let's get started. I am naming it as public transport as well. Sorry. Now I'll create a array. So firstly, what we have, the attributes which we have to do. I'm so sorry. Yeah. So which attributes we have to take? Firstly, we have to take route ID. Okay. So let take the route ID as 01. Now bus number, let it be A11. Now origin, uh, let's take Pagwara. Now destination, let the destination be Delhi. Arrival time, let's take that assembly. So let's take the arrival time and now status. I am taking it as on time. Okay. Yeah. First is complete. We'll close this. Now I'm going to add other set of values. Again, we are going to write route ID. Let it be 02. Now bus number. Let it be 12. Okay. Now origin. Let it be, you know, destination, arrival time. Status. Let the status be delayed in this. Okay. Now we'll close this. Okay. We closed this. Okay. First array and second set of values also be closed. Now we have to close the whole array we have created. So sorry. And now, okay. Now we press enter. Now control C. The file is being copied. To check the execution, we use npx and the file name. Sorry. npx json server json dash server. Now the file name, that is public transport dot json. Let it check whether this file is executing or not. Okay, so as you can see, this file is successfully executed. The index came, the local host came, the endpoints came. So now we will the next step of this implementation for rest assured is coding on Eclipse. So now we will use this local host and these endpoints, and next we are going to do it in Eclipse. So we have already completed the JSON file. So the further implementation we have to do it in the Eclipse IDE. So let's open the Eclipse IDE. So the workspace is already created, which I have named it as API testing. Let's launch this workspace. So here, as you can see, Eclipse IDE is open. Now we have to go in File, and I have to create a new Maven project. Mm, And I am going to name it as Bus API because my implementation is based on Bus API only. Let's finish it. Now, as you can see, a new folder is open. Now we have to go to its form file. Form file is now open, and now we have to add some dependency. It is the important part because if we don't add the dependency of rest assured, we might have get any error while implementing the code. So we'll go here, we'll search Maven repository. Maven repository. So we'll search here rest assured. Now we'll check the newer version of it. I'm taking 5.5.1 version. Click on it and copy the dependency and paste it here. Now save it. Now in test Java file, we have to add a new class, and I'm going to get implement get commands in it. Then I named it as get only. Finish the setup. Now, firstly, I have to import rest assured so that I can use its implementation. Import static IO dot rest assured. Rest assured dot. Okay. Now I have to import rest as well. Rest dot rest dot matches. Okay, so we have imported the main statements. Now come to the main method. Okay. So I'm going to write here uh, request specification, request specification, request spec equals to new new request spec builder. Okay, so we have already created the object of request specification. So move on to the set builder, set base URI builder. So basically, we in this parameter we are going to add our endpoint. So copy this link from the command prompt and now paste it here in the code. Now dot add header. In add header, we know that the content type we use is application dash JSON. So we'll write here application, sorry, content type, content type, comma, application dash JSON. Okay. Now dot build. We'll add here response. Response equals to given. Now we will add here spec request spec sorry dot log all dot when dot get dot then dot log dot all. Now we will check here status code. Status code can be of two type. Status code can be of two type. Any of which is equal to, it can be of any type like 200 or it can be 404. So comma we can also write equal to 404. Now we will add here header. Header we know that it is the content type is only application.json. Applications, sorry, it's not dot, it's application dash JSON. Now we will add here the time. Time should be less than, I'll write 5000 L. Okay. Now dot extract dot response. Okay. So as we can see, I have not imported some of the things. I have just click on the link and import the particular set of things. Import. Now I'm going to run it. Check the console. See. So it ran successfully. The code ran successfully for the get command, and now we can see the whatever details we put in the JSON file. We are getting all these as our output. So for the next step, we'll create another class. So we will open a new file. Sorry, a new class we'll create in test.java only. A new class, and in this class, I'm going to explain about post methods. So I'm going to name it as post only. Okay. The same we will do here also. Let's create public static void main string args string args request specification to request spec. It it should be same as we did in the get or only. We can also directly copy and paste from the get, but I'm writing it here. Build up. I'm writing here dot set base URI, same as endpoint. Copied and pasted here. Dot add header content type comma. It's application slash JSON. Okay. Now add header after that. mm, Build. Now I'm going to add here a string request body. So as in JSON file, I have included two files, like two arrays. So now I'm going to add here something different from this, so that it after running this the particular file will get all three arrays in a single file. So two are already there. I'm going to create third by using post. So now here say inverted comma and curly braces. Now enter, put plus sign. Okay. Now this slash root ID. Whatever are uh, attributes we have mentioned in the JSON file, the same attribute we are going to write in Eclipse also. So root ID. Root ID. There must be some error. So mistake. Okay. Now I'm going to add here 3. Um, Now enter. Again we will plus here slash. We'll write the next is our bus number. So we will write here bus number. Okay. Now again slash semi semicolon slash. So the bus number I am going to write here. I have taken previously one A11 and A12. Now I am going to take it as A13 here slash again. Water from again. Now again, it's after bus number. That next attribute is origin. So now origin again. Yes, this time I'm taking it origin as Jalandhar. There I origin as Jalandhar. Okay. From origin I have done. Yeah. Again I'll put here plus. After origin I have added here destination. Destination. Again slash semicolon slash Jalandhar to I'm adding here Amritsar. Now the next is our arrival time. Arrival time. So let's add here 3. Again, after arrival time, we have status. Status. Let it be on time. Time. On time. Okay, status. Till here only we have to do. So we don't add comma. Close here. We'll put curly braces here. I think I'm getting some error in destination part. Okay. Yeah, now it is happy. After that, we have to add responses. So now add response. Add response is equals to, so given. After that, dot spec request spec dot body, and this also will just request body dot log dot all. Now we'll check for status code. Status code, it can be 201 or it can be 404. We are writing here status code 201 dot, will take header content type. It's always application slash JSON, application slash JSON. Okay. Instead of this, we can also add here contains string. And now we can write here contains string application dot, sorry, slash JSON. Okay. Dot time less than. Here also I'll take as 5000 L. Now dot extract dot response. Now I'm going to add the import statement which is required for these. That's why I may get some error. Okay. I'm adding here system.out.println, system.out.println response slash n plus response as better string. I'm going to run this code. Let's check whether it is working or not. There might have some error in the code. Let's check it again. So the issue is now resolved. uh, we were getting this issue because the import statement I haven't up, included. Now, after including these import statement, I'm getting no errors. Now, run this code. Now, check the console. See, in body, these thing is now added. A new set of values are now added. Let's check this endpoint. Let's check this endpoint now. We are going to run this. Now we are successfully able to implement this get and post code. And now, as you can see, we made two set of values in JSON file. And now after adding some code on post and get, now we are able to get the another set of values. And now overall it is combined as a, and now as a public transport file in JSON. So it shows that we has implemented this code successfully and we have created this project successfully. Thank you so much for watching my video.